Yo, what's up, YouTube family? This is the unboxing right now. It's the unboxing of the Osmo Pocket 3 DJI, and y'all already know. Y'all already know how I'm coming with this thing, baby. You know what I'm saying? So, further ado, let me get to it. Bam! If you already know, like, this is literally like one of the hottest blow cameras that you can find. You know, on DJI, I've been dealing with them for a minute, quite some time. They be putting out some good product. I got a drone with them. I got the what's that? The Mini 3. You know, I got the Mini 3 with them. You know what I'm saying? Great content. You know what I'm saying? You get straight the gimbal. It works, and that's all it is the gimbal from the drone. You know. Hold on, people. I got preparation. I'm back. Let me do this thing, man. You know, so I don't waste people time, man. I just want to show y'all what it is and what it's gonna be. Great content coming soon, baby. You know what I'm saying? You already know. If you know anything about this thing, I did some research. I done watched 1,000 videos on this already. You know what I'm saying? So it's open. Whoa, can I get a drum roll on this bitch? Okay, man. Okay, I'm gonna open that last in a minute. You know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all what's all in this thing. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you got your instructions. We'll get to that later. I'm gonna do a video just to show y'all how it works or whatever. You know, I guess this your QR code. You know, you got your instruction on you. You know, we'll tap into that a little later. Let me get to the meat and grits on this thing, baby. Let me get to the steak on this thing, baby. I'm like a kid in the cash. Oh, and shout out to Best Buy. Because like I say, I just posted a car with Best Buy. All the new gadgets, whatever you get from the store, you literally paying no APR for 12 months, in some cases 18 months. 18 months, no APR. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, you get it for the same price. It's on shelf, you know. So I mean, this case is amazing. Can't lie. Everything in DJI. I had literally about 6 drones that I lost. You know, I be taking them on vacation, and all their cases be crazy dope. You know, so it don't surprise me right there. But this is nice. It's small. It's smaller than what it looked. It's a nice little compact type of joint. You know, you got all the works up in that thing. So let me pull this out, man. You know, I probably should have set the camera back a little bit. Well, I'm gonna be using this moving forward. You know what I'm saying? I'm covering my content, so you know, I'm gonna be able to give y'all a bigger picture of what's going on right now. So, okay, this is like a battery pack. Let me show y'all. Like a battery pack or something like that. Let me see. Okay. I'm gonna pull that all out and show you guys. And it come with a mic. It come with a mic already. Come with a mic. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. Come with a mic already. You got your typical USB. You know, you can use pretty much any iPhone or any charger for that. You know what I'm saying? Charger. Now what is this? Authentication. Oh, this ain't nothing but you know how GoPro is, how you put the string on the bottom of it, so when you swimming or whatever the case may be, you kind of get a grip onto your arm. That's what this is. We'll go through that in a minute. But to the main event, 'cause I ain't trying to hold y'all. I'm trying to rush through this video again. To the main event, baby. This, you know, the future has been revolutionized. I'm just talking, but let me check this out, man. Let me power this thing up. You know what I'm saying? Oh man, content about to go crazy. Look at it. Look at that. Already. Oh, don't. Look at that. Crazy. Crazy. That's dope. That's crazy though. So I guess you can shoot wide screens. Look at it going crazy. You know, going crazy. So I guess you can shoot wide screens, and you can shoot vertical as well. You know, this is crazy. You know what I'm saying? I'm surprised I'm just not getting up on it, but I'm brand new to the YouTube community, you know. And I guess you set it up so you do English. I don't know if y'all can see that, but you do English, then you set it up. I ain't finna take y'all through that. I'm gonna do a video about it, how it works or whatever the case may be. But I was in love with this. What made me want to purchase this is because of the active tracking. I know what the drone do, so basically active tracking, it follows you around. Like you can sit it down, it'll literally follow you around. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, you know, and you know, with this type of gimbal, it follows you and it keeps the frame steady. You know, so when you trying to get good content, which I'll be in Thailand in a couple of months, I'm definitely gonna need this. So I'm talking about. And I can put it in my pocket, and then due to the size, you know what I'm saying. If you're trying to be secretive, you don't want people see you filming, whatever the case may be. This is definitely the way to go. You know, it's definitely, look how it's moving. That's dope. This is dope. Oh, great content coming soon. Great content coming soon. Description gonna be below. I advise y'all to tap in with Best Buy. You're gonna get it for the same. Oh, you can guide it, you can do all that, you know? Oh, this finna go crazy. This finna go crazy. Look how that snap back. That's dope, okay. So let me see what this go. So I guess this is a extended battery. This extended battery. Oh snap, it clicks on. Bam. Okay, so it charges. And from my understanding, this battery's drained first before it gets to the actual battery of the camera. You know, as you can see, everything touchscreen. You know, so this battery drained first before it gets to the actual camera. So you got plenty of time, plenty of, you know, you can shoot crazy footage. You know what I'm saying? Like, and you can pocket it like, yo, you're on a train or something, like, boy, stop playing with me, boy. You know what I'm saying? You got you got them on camera with that thing. You know what I'm saying? So I'm talking about you can do that. Let me see what else this is. I guess this the bottom of the this the stand. Let me see. Sit this down for a second. Oh yeah, man. Best Buy, they got them gadgets. Get that Best Buy card. If you anything like me, excuse me, if you anything like me, you love gadgets. I love gadgets. I'm gonna do the shoots on drones. I'm gonna do them on the Apple Vision Pro. You know, I'm gonna do all type of little videos. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love gadgets. I love how technology move. You know, and this is one of the finest pieces of hardware we'll ever find as of right now. Let me see. Oh, I can't sit it down, but look at this. I gotta set it up. I'm gonna do a raw video on it. This is beautiful. It's following me, like, Look how it's moving. That's dope. That's crazy, though. That's crazy, though. Oh, and it's so sensitive. Look, I just went to Chinese something. Hold on. I had to come back. But yeah, this is that deal. You know, if you want to do great content and you know you want to be able to be mobile with it, this is the perfect thing. This is the perfect device. And then you got the mic. You know what you clip onto your shirt. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be like this. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause I got a trip in Thailand. You know what I'm saying? Real shit coming up soon. So I'm gonna be like, hey, mama see that. Mama see that. You know what I'm saying? Straight like that. You know what I'm saying? with the DJI. I'm just talking. I'm just playing. But yeah, with the mic. You know what I'm saying? Now, what I did was I ended up grabbing extra set of mics. You know. So now that we did that, on this, let me go to the second pair of mic. Let me show y'all this again. This gimbal is crazy dope. This is the combo. Oh, it's another piece right now. Let me see what that's doing. This is the combo. So basically, what the combo come with? It come with a mic. It come with the stand. It come with a charging pack, and this right here. This is another charging pack. This like the grip on the bottom of it or something. No, this is the grip charging pack. This right here. It's an extension of that. You know. So you can practice just snapping on. It comes off with a snap. Snap that thing right back on. Let me see. Snap that thing right back on until you hear that click. And you in there. You doing personal thing, you doing whatever. You know what I'm saying? Crazy. This is a lovely piece of work right now. I'm excited to use it. I can't wait to get to use it. I'm finna use it literally after I get through editing this video. So now we got this. The mic, but I ended up buying another one because I got a camera too that I would like, and this has a transmitter on it. You know, same thing. Let me pull this out the box real quick. Let me see. Same. Oh, we got some stickers right there. We got the DJI stickers. That's pretty smooth. If you want to be creative, design your little MacBook or something like that. If you're a DJI fan, I am. I got the drone. I had the Maverick 3. I had the Mini Pro 2. Now I got the Mini Pro. You know what? I'll show you. So, like I say, the drone, I take this, you know, with the travel. Full video coming soon, but yeah, you get the drones, like I say, the DJI Mac, they go crazy, you know. Quality work. So let me get to this right here. I know y'all probably don't even watch people do YouTube and they run away from the camera like that. You know what I'm saying? They stick straight to that. But what you getting from me, what you ain't getting from other content creators. I'm giving you raw, real content, period. You know what I'm saying? As it happens. You know what I'm saying? Oh. I'm giving you raw, real content as it happens. You know? So now, what we got is 2 mics. So this is the one mic. And it clicks in there like magnetic or something like that. Then it reads right there. Then it's your transmitter. want to put this on the camera, you know, it's pieces up, you know, you put it on the camera, whatever the case may be. Click that thing right up in there to show other mic. You know what I'm saying? Then it come with the you know, it come with the little wind things, the little dead rabbits or something like that. You know, it come with this right here, where you can actually attach it to the mic to cut out the wind or whatever. And I learned that in one of my videos. I actually did it, and all you heard was wind. I think it was the one I was telling a story about a young lady or something like that. But it was crazy wind, so I'm learning as I go. YouTube, work with me, baby. You know. So yeah. Let's say the wind. You know, you got the little rabbit right here. You know what I'm saying? So it's pretty smooth, like I say. You know. So the cost of the whole thing, I would say, I think it ran me about $7 for this, and for the combo. $7 for the combo, and then for this it was like $370 or something. You know, for the extra mics. So I said about a good $1,100. You know, but the thing about it is, depends on what you got going on. You don't really need a second mic. You don't need a second or third mic. You might just need one, and it come with one. So you got the 7, and then this is the combo. So you really, you know, if you feel as if you don't need to stand, then, you know, it'll probably be about, what, 5 something, you know? But it's definitely worth the purchase. Definitely worth the purchase. You know, you're going to get a bang for your buck with this. And then, you know, you're going to be able to create great content, you know? So, let me get up out of here. I made this video long enough, you know? And I will be shooting a small video right now just to show y'all what it do after I program it. Then you got to put a SIM card in too, as a matter of fact. So let me activate the SIM card, then I'll come back. I'm gonna show y'all a real video of what it do, the ActiveTrack and all that though. But fuck with me, Mr. Pay the Plug. Crazy videos coming soon. Crazy video. Don't miss the Thailand trip. It's finna be crazy. You know what I'm saying? Crazy. Fuck with me though, YouTube. Love. Yo, what's up, YouTube family? Let me know what y'all think. There we go. There we go. Let me see what y'all think. Could y'all hear me clear? Could y'all hear me clear? Could y'all hear the boy? Let me see. You see that? Yeah, that's crazy dope. That is crazy dope right there, man. Nice piece of hard work. You know, but I got a tribute for y'all. Who was this on this picture? And who was this? Black History Month, you know? Tell me who them peoples is, you know? I have to step back and take another look. Could y'all see it? But let me know how the quality of this mic work. It's Gambit, look at this. This is crazy. It's following me everywhere I go. Like, this is dope. Nice piece of work. Crazy coming soon. Mr. Pay the Plug. Rock with me.